Hello, my name is Vanessa Arruti, and I'm going to be presenting on a critical thinking and problem-solving 21st century skill. This will be on, does buying a hybrid make sense? So critical thinking and problem-solving would be the main 21st century skilled partnership from the 21st Century Skills of 2011. The outcome that we would be looking for from our students would be the articulation of mathematical thoughts and of their ideas using oral and written communication skills, as well as using abstract and quantitative reasoning. With attentiveness to precision, they would construct viable arguments and analyze others' reasoning. The grade level that this would apply to would be 7th grade pre-algebra and 8th grade Algebra 1 students. So they would be applying their algebraic thinking with using equations, applications, their numbers corresponding to variables, their terms. They would be working in small groups to compare the cost of buying a hybrid versus a non-hybrid car. Students would research pricing and fuel miles per gallon estimates for the comparable models of the hybrids versus the non-hybrids. They would factor in the average local gas prices over the X amount of years using their knowledge of linear functions. The students then analyze the overall cost of the hybrid versus the non-hybrid vehicle over X amount of number of years, using assumptions regarding the average price of gas and how many miles the car will be driven each year. Students then analyze how many miles the car will be driven each year, and then they analyze the changing of the number of years per mile to be driven if it would affect the outcome. So each group presents its results and conclusions to the class. So this could be incorporated as a project-based learning idea where you would incorporate other content areas, not just math. So math and science do go well together, but you would also have science working hand in hand with reading as well as history, for example. So you would have science would be involved with the actual, if they were to do the experiment or research in the experiment. The history involved would be gas prices and the way they fluctuate. And then reading, you would also incorporate how they would be presenting the information, possibly even advertising using their results, whether or not they would want to advertise for the person or the audience to buy a hybrid versus non-hybrid. There are possible extensions also that you can apply to either elongate the project or to do project-based learning with other content areas or electives, such as engines. Do engine sizes affect the hybrids, as well as safety, luxury features, passenger capacity, and cargo capacity could be leading factors. So this would be the project that we would do for a hybrid versus a non-hybrid.